go sample, user, add sound sources. Forward and reverse loop. Put some compression on this. Let's bring in this same oscillator over in oscillator 2 and maybe move the point around. Let's go up an octave. Let's just do a forward loop. Bring it down again. Kind of like that low note. Try bringing in a respace, layer it underneath. What I might do, I might just render this out. There's a sample. I'm just going to chop it at each one of these sections and just consolidate it. Do I do something weird? Like maybe I put shaper box on it or something. I'm going to make a MIDI track now. And I'll call this one chops. Might drag in a drum loop as well, just to give me something to work with. OWD, let's do it. Drums and effects. Let's drag the last section in, just into simpler. Put it on slice. Half part. Why is that so loud? Jesus. Now what I might do is put some shaper box on for some ducking. Let's do shaper box 3. And select one of these presets. Motion. Sweep. That's crazy. What about a different sample in there with that? That is so weird. Got something like this. do I put in? It's like another vocal chop. Maybe like a shout or something. Bit of hype phrase. Just put a little bit of reverb and delay on this. And maybe I'll filter this pad out a bit. So what did I start with? I started with a couple of synth patches, I think. Let me open them up. Not much going on here, just a compressor. That doesn't make too bad a layer. Now I just create a whole melody around it. Use that as a good start point. And that turned into this. Turn into this. The rhythms of these are all clashing, but that can sometimes work when you resample and chop it up. So that was pretty chaotic, like unusable as it is. But once I sampled that out and got these little audio chunks down here, I think I ended up dragging one in down here. Let me unfreeze it. And that ended up sounding like this. Which is like nice, dark and grungy sound. That's why the beat sounds so dark and weird, I suppose. But anyway, that's where the beat took me. I'll give it a playthrough now and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.